PSE-Strata Associate exam questions are useful in the preparation. Share some PSE-Strata Associate exam questions here with you. 1. Which two of the following are ways that Palo Alto Networks cloud-delivered security services, CDSS, use confidential information collected from users? Choose 2. A. Legal compliance. B. Attack retaliation attribution. C. Verification of entitlements. D. Verification of applicant statements. 2. Which of the following statements applies to wildfire public cloud verdicts? A. They are unique to the affected next-generation firewall, NGFW. B. They are shared globally with all wildfire customers. C. They must be manually downloaded from the wildfire portal. D. They are automatically shared with third-party firewall vendors. 3. Which three key functions are processed as part of the Palo Alto Networks Single Pass Architecture, SPA? Choose 3. A. User ID. B. Content ID. C. Intruder ID. D. Device ID. E. Virus ID. 4. When deploying an eval next-generation firewall, NGFW, within a customer environment for the purpose of generating a Security Lifecycle Review, SLR, report, creation of which interface will not impact production traffic? A. Layer 3 interface. B. SLR interface. C. Virtual wire interface. D. TAP interface. 5. Which two cloud-delivered security services, CDSS, would be appropriate for an organization that wants to secure Internet traffic on a perimeter firewall? Choose 2. A. Wildfire. B. Advanced URL filtering, AURLF. C. Autonomous Digital Experience Management, ADEM. D. SD-WAN. 6. A customer interested in Panorama is concerned about managing multiple firewalls they are putting in place globally. Each location has its own IP addresses, zones, and VPN configurations. Which element of Panorama will assist the customer in pushing this unique configuration information to the individual firewalls? A. Device profile. B. Global Protect. C. Templates. D. Device groups. 7. What is a technical benefit of user ID in relation to policy control? A. It matches traffic against policy to check whether it is allowed on the network. B. It allows all users to designate view-only access to itinerant personnel. C. It improves safe enablement of applications traversing the network. D. It encrypts all private keys and passwords in the configuration. 8. In which two of the following scenarios is personal data excluded from protection under the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR? A. The data was automated as part of an information filing system. B. The data was generated in the course of a purely personal or household activity. C. The data will be used for the prevention of criminal offenses. D. The data is related to a person's economic or cultural identity. 9. A human resources (HR) application has the URL of https://hr.company.com port 4433/. How should the service column of the security policy be set to match and permit this application. A. Define and then select a new custom transmission control protocol (TCP) service with port 4433. B. Edit service HTTPS to use port 4433. C. Set to service HTTP. D. Set to application defaults, which will locate and match the HR application. 10. To use App ID effectively in security policies, which 3 best practices should be followed? Choose 3. A. Use Expedition to migrate a port-based policy to PAN OS. B. Whenever possible, enable App ID override. C. Use phased transition to safely enable applications. D. Use Policy Optimizer to migrate to an application-based policy. E. After the application is specified in policy, set the 7 service to any